This is the Gay-Lussac's law interactive calculator, which solves for pressure and temperature relationships in gases at constant volume. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate final pressure P2, final temperature T2, initial pressure P1, initial temperature T1, pressure change delta P, or temperature change delta T. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Final Pressure P2. Next, enter your initial pressure P1. The P1 unit dropdown offers kilopascals, psi, bar, atmospheres, or pascals. I'm using kilopascals. Enter your initial temperature T1. The T1 unit dropdown provides Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. I'm selecting Celsius. For final temperature T2, enter your value and select the unit from the T2 dropdown, which has the same temperature options. I'm using Celsius again. The P2 unit dropdown lets you choose the output pressure unit with the same options as P1. I'll keep it in kilopascals. Click Calculate. The calculator displays your result in the selected units, showing how pressure changes proportionally with absolute temperature when volume remains constant. This relationship is essential for designing pressure vessels and understanding gas behavior in closed systems. Find the link in the description below